Welcome, REALME is a REALME C31, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's find our standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. Once you locate it, let's tap on the three dots, navigate to the settings, and at the bottom you should see import option. Now you want to select that you want to import from SIM card. This will then display all your contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, by default they should all be selected, as they are for me. So if you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of them by just simply tapping on it. And additionally, if you see some kind of contacts that are already deselected and also grayed out, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your device and the device is simply stopping you from creating duplicates. So from here, let's select import. This will import all the checked contacts, and when you go back you should be able to find them in your contacts list. And that is how you can import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.